Top 5 Great Secrets of the Solar System. Number 1. The Mystery of Rust on the Moon. As you are most likely mindful, iron begins to rust after significant stretches around oxygen and water. So you can envision the unexpected when stargazers found rust on the Moon. Utilizing information from India's Chandrayaan-1 mission, Hawaiian analyst Shu Ili gave obvious signs of iron oxide or, as it is more ordinarily known, rust on the lunar surface. At first, researchers were bewildered by Li's discoveries. How does rust frame in a spot with no oxygen? What's more, sun-based breezes subject the Moon to an attack of hydrogen particles. Hydrogen is known to part with its electrons, making it considerably more hard for iron to oxidize. Rust on the Moon ought to be unthinkable, but the proof was past dispute. Then came the leap forward. Cosmologists found that the appropriate response lies looking like the Earth's attractive field. Earth is additionally continually whipped by sun-powered breezes, which crush and contort the planet's attractive field. This causes the piece of the field uttermost from the Sun to extend in reverse, similar to a tail. This magnetotail broadens 240,000 miles, 385,000 kilometers, into space. During its circle of the Earth, the Moon plunges momentarily inside the magnetotail. Now, the Earth safeguards the Moon from its standard assault of hydrogen. The attractive field likewise stores modest quantities of oxygen on the outside of the Moon. For 1 minute, the conditions are appropriate for rust to shape. Number 2. Strange mass hiding under the surface of the Moon. Underneath the biggest pit in the close planetary system lies a Goliath hunk of metal, and nobody is certain what it is doing there. The subtle mass is believed to associate with multiple times the size of the island of Hawaii, settled under the South Pole Aitken Bowl on the most distant side of the Moon. The cavity is generally oval-formed, more than 1,200 miles wide, and numerous miles down. Stargazers figure it was made 4 billion years prior. However, the actual mass untruths many miles underground. Researchers found a metal abnormality during an investigation of the Moon's surface and gravitational field. Scientists are quick to find the beginnings of this baffling underground knot. One hypothesis states it might have come from the space rock that shot the cavity into the Moon's surface. The center of a shooting star is regularly made of iron-nickel compound. PC reproductions have shown that this metallic center might have gotten stopped in the Moon's mantle. Another idea is that the mass is identified with expanses of fluid magma chilling off and hardening. Number 3. Europa, Jupiter's icy moon, might glow in the dark. Another examination proposes that one of Jupiter's moons may gleam in obscurity. Specialists figure that Europa could discharge a greenish gleam brought about by the serious radiation from Jupiter's attractive field. Europa is known for being covered in a thick layer of ice. The iced moon faces an unending torrent of electrons. At the point when the charged particles pummel into Europa's frosty surface, they move a portion of their energy to the atoms in the ice. The invigorated atoms then, at that point, discharge that energy as light, which researchers say could give the Moon a creepy sparkle. Number 4. Methane rain on Saturn's largest moon. Titan, the biggest of Saturn's moons, has a few uncommon climate designs. Aside from Earth, it is the solitary known body in the nearby planetary group where fluid downpour falls on a strong surface. In any case, in contrast to Earth, the precipitation on Titan is rare. As indicated by NASA's Cassini orbiter, there are spaces of Titan that just get precipitation around once like clockwork, and rather than water, it downpours methane. It probably won't rain regularly on Titan, however when it does it pours. Meters of precipitation can come falling down in one shower. This serious battering scratches profound waterway channels into the outside of the Moon. Stargazers have even found immense lakes and oceans of fluid methane. One of the secrets bewildering researchers is the absence of overcast cover around the North Pole. During an investigation of sunbeams on the Moon, researchers as of late noticed precipitation throughout Titan's late spring. Interestingly, be that as it may, they were baffled why they had not detected any mists. Breaking this problem could extend our comprehension of climate designs all in all. In any case, for the present, it stays obscure. Number 5. Space hurricane looms over Earth. In 2014, researchers saw a weird vortex swirling high over the North Pole. The strange winding of auroral light estimated more than 600 miles wide, stunning the skies for 8 hours prior to blurring into the evening. In any case, up to this point, analysts attempted to clarify what the Goliath fix of light was and why it was there. Now, physicists at Shandong University in China have figured out how to reveal some insight into the circumstance. Utilizing satellite information gathered during the Cold War, King Hezhong clarified that the baffling space tropical storm was an enormous twisting of electrically charged gas. Divine whirlpools like the one seen in 2014 are made by showers of electrons shot out from the Sun. The tiny particles course through the Earth's attractive field, colliding with gas iotas in the upper environment and delivering splendid blazes of light. Zhang and his group figure space typhoons may have happened before 2014, yet this is the first run-through researchers have recognized one.